Hi, and welcome again to Maker.do Academy. We'll begin with the third module, how to create websites using Maker.do. We'll teach you how to use this simple tool so you can create stunning websites that will impress your customers.
Maker.do is a tool that allows anyone to create websites and apps without needing to code. Here you can create from a website or online store to more complex platforms. For now, we'll focus on the websites. What we do is log on to www.maker.do and choose to create a website. We will then enter an assistant that will guide you step by step. The first task is to name our website. Let's type, for example, Web Agency. If you registered using Facebook or you haven't registered yet, it will also ask you for your email address. This is your email address, not your customer's. Then the assistant gives you background choices. It can be either a background picture or a background video. If we choose to use a background picture, you can search our extensive database of royalty-free pictures using keywords. Feel free to use any of them. If you want to use a video background, you can paste a YouTube link and it will automatically set as a background video. In this case, we'll choose an image. In the next step, I can choose a main color for the website. This color will tint some buttons and sections on the screen. And you can also choose a color scheme for the website template. For example, a light scheme means that besides the predominant color, most colors will be white and clear grays. On the contrary, if you choose the dark scheme, most colors will be black and dark grays. In this case, we will choose a tone of green and a clear color scheme. In the next step, I can choose the main language for my website. This is because Maker.do gives the option to create websites that have multiple languages. The last step is to choose a logo. You can generate a temporary logo placeholder or upload your logo by clicking on the Upload Logo button. Once the website is generated, we have two options. We can make a preview of the website or we can go directly to edit it. Let's preview what we did. Here we can see the website that the assistant has generated. You can see the logo, the image we choose in the background, and we'll see the website has light colors because we chose the light color scheme. If we tap Continue, we will head to the Editing panel. Here we can make all the changes we need in order to finish the website. In the Start menu, we can preview the website. In the Connect a Domain section, we can connect a domain to this website. In the Design Editor section, we can make changes to the color scheme, change the main background to an image or video, and change the main colors and fonts. Every time you make a change, you should tap the Save button for them to become active. In the Text and Images editor, we can change all text that appear on the website. Let's check the preview. See that there are different texts and images in the website? In this editor, I can change any of them. After I tap Save, the changes will be live on our website. In this editor, I have the possibility to add more languages to a website. For example, if I want to add French, I just go to Add Language and I'll have a copy of all texts of the website ready to translate. I can click the same drop-down menu to change between languages and delete a language I won't use anymore. When you have a website with multiple languages, the user will be able to change between them in the footer of the website. The HTML editor allows you to make deep changes for people with HTML and CSS knowledge. The Sections editor allows you to make changes to the template using blocks. Each template works by using different blocks. In this editor, we can add new blocks, delete them, and reorder them. We can also add new pages to the website. For example, we can create an About Us page clicking on the Add New Page button and choosing a template for the new page. In the Navigation editor, we can change the hyperlinks of the header or the footer. We can add new links and reorder them. For example, I will add a new link on the header. This link will connect to the About Us page that we've just created. Then I'll tap Save and then make a preview. The link will appear on the header and link to our new page. The Form editor allows you to add, delete, and change fields of the different forms that the website has. For example, contact forms. The Blog section allows you to add a blog to the website. This way you can have a news section and add articles to it. Finally, in the Settings section, you can modify information like the email you want the messages of the contact form to arrive, the main language, and SEO keywords, among a lot of other options.
In the next module, you will learn how to start your web design business. We'll teach you how to create an agency in Maker.do and connect your customer websites to their domains.